What is up, team, and welcome back to another episode. Today is gonna be a fun one. We're taking the entire team, we're heading out, we're meeting up with my realtor, and we're gonna go tour some new offices. That's right, I've been in this office for 8 months. We got a couple more months on the lease, but it's time to start looking. We're outgrowing this space, and we're gonna be checking out 2 penthouse offices that I'm really excited to see. So, let's go.
It's the customer room or a CEO room. Great place for a client.
Yeah.
It's literally the same exact view as the other one, just more of it.
These are tilted and those aren't, right?
Yeah, you've got a nice view really from every room.
Yeah.
It's a different perspective of the city, but you're high enough up. Filming up to this point, if somebody was in there, you wanted privacy, you could do shades on the inside. You could have it filmed all the way up. You could do stripes. A lot of that stuff is customizable, and
So we could take this out?
yeah.
We like blasted all these walls out and just made a big open floor in the middle with rooms around.
Like there's a column in here. That's
Okay.
So, and I'll show you different floors on how they kind of jazzed it up, so to speak, in their ways.
So there's no flex.
No.
No.
So there's large contracts like wax.
We should build the office right here.
I know, outdoor office. Yeah, too bad it's cloudy out today. People are gonna love that in the comments.
It's nice to have an outdoor spot. Right? The offices we just looked at the windows don't even open.
I know.
I'm just thinking about that now. Like that fresh air is so nice. The windows don't open in those last 2 spaces we looked at. Imagine if we had that. This would be like a good sales team for I like the feel of this space though.
Yeah, it's high-end finishes, it's high ceilings with open, like, your drop ceilings for just the lighting.
Very
kind of the
clean.
industrial, like,
Like if we want like a dedicated like podcast studio, I like it. We were saying we could put a wall, that one right here, and just make this like an executive office. Right there. The first space has the views.
We want to make this more open concept again.
Everything would be. I don't think we would need anything in here. No. I think we'd get rid of everything.
Yeah.
And then think about how we could utilize each space. Executive office. We could have this kind of like conference room. I think we could. Where could we have like a podcast, like a dedicated podcast room? I mean, this could be. Is this big enough to throw cameras?
No,
I think it's too small.
it's too small.
Yeah. Where could we throw up another glass wall and make a podcast room? Think about like Barstool Sports. I mean, we could have like a little living room area. We could have the ping pong table, little area. We could have like I love the open concept.
Well, the other place is just very.
Would we keep the lockers?
No.
I'm going back and forth between this and the first place. Just because the office, like the views, and how that office felt as like just huge flex office with views. It's between the first and the second. I want to go back to the first. I do. I want to go back to the first.
Let's turn the lights on.
I mean, I just realized those walls are blue. So new carpets. Like just clean everything.
One thing I'm looking at that would make this place, like I said, this space more modern is
Repaint the
paint,
walls.
floor, and lights, which they already have the pictures there. You just replace them with LED fixtures.
Paint
They're
these
fucking
walls
cheap.
like what, gray? Paint this like gray or something.
With dark gray, black even.
Yeah, this is exactly what we need. This
You guys would be like right here.
setup. We'd do like an impulsive type set. Yeah, new lights, just LEDs, repaint the wall, redo the flooring. I think this space is perfect.
Because that would get rid of the buzzing too.
Oh yeah.
The LED lights.
That's gonna drive you crazy.
All right, team, that is gonna wrap up today's video. I hope you did enjoy. There's a couple spaces that we just checked out that I'm really excited about. I'm not gonna say which ones. I'm gonna keep it a surprise, but I think we're gonna go ahead and move forward with one of them. And anyway, if you guys enjoyed, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe. And if you're interested in learning about trading, which is what I do and what most of the videos are about, click that first link in the description. All right, I'll see you in the next one. Later.